So today I got some new wheels and tires for my buddy. They're off his 2011 Dodge Ram. The only issue that I think we might have is that the bore size on the Ram is a 120.9 and the bore size that is on the Ford is 124.9. So we might need to make them bigger. I hope that's not going to be an issue. I hope it's just like a super like minimal thing that's like not like an issue. But let's see what happens. So these are the tires. These are the back tires. You can see that they're kind of worn down. Those are the front tires. They have a lot more tread on them. That thing is ridiculously loud.
He probably did because that vibration
On your butt
is still vibrating.
So we do have to like grind down the center bore a little bit. It's only like 4 millimeters, so it's not a lot. So we got the front on. We like took forever to do that. I totally forgot to film it. But now we're on the back. Should go a little bit more smoother because now we know what we're working with. And on top of that, it's in the shade. We got this bomb ass tent. So if you can't tell, we're having one big problem pulling this last load nut off. It's like super stuck.
If I stand on it, shit's gonna break.
Let's see if that's enough.
Dodge wheels on a Ford. I don't think there is any other bigger sin in this world.
All for the tires.
A little more.
A little more?
Yes or no?
So here we go. We got it cut out. Fits over this little lip here. Not much grinding. It's quite a bit of grinding, honestly. It wasn't like super bad though. So fits all the way around. Not that big of a deal, honestly. I don't think it's going to be that much of a hindrance. It's only literally 4 millimeter difference, but if you think about it, it's 2 millimeters here, 2 millimeters there. So we got the back wheels on and the front wheels. The reason I mainly did this was because I got a really good deal on these tires. These tires brand new are like, how much did you pay for them? Like 900?
Brand new?
Yeah, or was it 1200? I can't remember. Anyways, I paid 100 for them, so rims and tires. The backs aren't the greatest, but they'll do. But the fronts are in mint condition. He had them on his truck, and this was like he had just put a bunch of performance parts on the truck, so like it was really easy to burn out. So every chance he could, he did. So that's what he did. So that's it with the truck. We got the wheels on, tires on. Might go do the AC tonight in the car. Yeah, that's it. Went pretty smooth. Just a little bit of grinding. A lot of bit of grinding, actually. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Hope you guys like it. I'm trying to do this whole upload 3 or 4 times a week, maybe 5, depending on what I think is good content. So with the Civic and the truck, hopefully that makes enough videos that a way I could, you know, have some stuff for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy what you're watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Thanks.